Shiloh, your BB gonna see you get a spanking on camera if you don't get from over in this corner. BB like to hear you scream. Okay, you gonna sit there and read your book? BB don't want to see the back of your head. Neither do your TT mama. Okay. Let's pull you out of this corner so we can get... Okay. Yes. Crawl over there. Yes. Act the fool. That's what BB said. Go ahead, baby. Act the fool. You gonna read the book? What does it say? What does it say? What does it say? I know. That's what it said when I read it to you too. The words didn't change. Yeah? Go, Shiloh. Go. Go, Shiloh. Let's go play with your... Come on, let's play with Winnie the Pooh. Shiloh. Here we go. Here. Hey. Here you go. Come on. Yeah. Party. Woo. He goes fast. It's over here. Come on, let's party. Yeah. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Come on, Shiloh. Okay. Do what you do there. You want to clap? Clap, clap, clap. 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 Shiloh, clap. Hey, Shiloh. Okay, never mind. Yay! And he's off. Yay! Yay! He's gone. Hey, Shiloh, come on, let's go. Do not find something. Keep it moving. Keep it focused. Come on. Keep your focus. Shiloh. Xavier. Okay, we're about to run out of time. 8, 7, 6. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.